Good morning. It is day 2 in Nepal. I forgot to close out the vlog last night and here we are. So jet lagged. We went to dinner, came back home and then just chilled until like 1ish, 12ish, I don't know, 12. And then we went to bed. And today is a brand new day to be in Nepal. I'm going to surprise my friend who doesn't know I'm in Nepal. I haven't seen her in about 7 years, 8 years, I don't even know. It's been a long time. We went to school together and she's in Nepal and she's had a baby, she's got married and I haven't seen her and she doesn't know I'm here, so let's get ready to go and see her. Where am I? New Road. I am on my ones. I saw my friend and then I saw my cousin and now I'm just walking back to the hotel for a quick change because I am boiling. Everyone keeps on saying it's so cold, I'm actually so hot. But also it looks like it's about to rain, so that's not going to be okay. And after that we need to go. I'm basically on a mission to find 3 wedding outfits. Where am I going? Oh, and to find 3 wedding outfits by the end of tomorrow, because day after tomorrow we're leaving like 4 in the morning to go to Chapa for Brian's wedding. And this is a view, watch this. Ah! Oh, fucking hell. Crossing roads and walking is a bit scary still. I'm still not used to it. I'm getting there though. I mean, day 2 and I'm walking on my ones already, so... Oh, dental practice. Alright, I've got to go because I feel like I'm going to get run over if I keep on talking and not concentrating. Bare people just trying to run me over, you know. Alright, bye. Currently just waiting for my, Nepalese version of Uber is called Patel or InDrive. And it's basically like Grab in Southeast Asia. We're going to go try and rent an outfit. It's starting to rain, which isn't great because the last time I heard about rain in Kathmandu, half of the city flooded. So that's not okay. Hi guys. We're currently at dinner. We've just finished eating. We have Mr. Sanjay with us. We came to this cute little Korean restaurant called
Hankook Sarang.
Hankook Sarang in
Tongal. This is Tongal, not far.
And there's a little chain, right?
So yeah, it's a chain, but it's very nice. It's not a chain as per it's a massive one. It's like few restaurants. There are few locations.
Oh right. So it's still like privately owned.
Privately.
So they've got a few different restaurants. And this is what it looks like.
Look how cute does that look.
That does look really cute. The vibes are immaculate. But the food was even better. The food was 10 out of 10 today.
Now top that 11 out of 10.
Why? You would top it.
I said out of that.
You would,
saying
yeah.
I'll give it 11 out of 10 because
Yeah.
we are fully satisfied.
So satisfied, but also like we're so full, but also not like not dying. Sorry. We're also not dying of like being overfilled. No food comas yet. It might hit in
Actually, it wouldn't though.
It's all quite healthy, to be fair. Korean food's all quite healthy.
No, because we'll be drinking, so we won't be.
Yeah. Yes, we were. Very sensible, guys. Very sensible. My mother watches this. Sorry, Mum.
But we ate before we drink.
We ate so.
We ate before we drink. So.
We did. All right, the boys are back. Where's the other one gone? Oh, he's doing his shoelace. Bye.